place on our driveway and look at the elevator.
Holy crap!
Holy crap! Monkey.
Oh, you're getting wet. So I just like woke up, and then a couple hours later I'm playing Wii. My sister's bedroom window is open, and then all I hear is like whoosh. There's rain pelting down outside. So
I'm like, I'm gonna go look at the
yeah, Jay decides she'll go outside and look at the rain, right? And she opens the door. It's cold.
Cold. I'm
Nora.
gonna go put on a jacket.
Anyways, so she gets like the door open and then like whoosh. So the rain's dying down a bit now. I might cover you up with a plastic bag and take you out there. We're braving the storm. Ay ay ay! Ay ay ay!
Oh my god!
Look at that! Oh my god. Oh, this is a nice Saturday walk. A nice stroll. Lovely weather. Oh yes. Oh, I'm enjoying it. Especially with my flip-flops and skirt. Yes, this is nice. You get back in there, Missy. Nora. Okay, okay. So you know how it was like a tsunami about 3 minutes earlier, right? Well, it just ended, and now it's completely bright and sunny. Unlock side door that may grant us access to outside. There's like, it's all wet and gross, so I'm just gonna step here, but look at that. Screw you, Mother Nature. Screw you and your mind games. I mean, look at that. Look at that. And then look at that. Oh, you're staring at the sun. Don't blind yourself. Don't blind yourself.